There are times when you don't want people to tamper with your network connection. On the market, there are patch cords that come with a temper-proof locking feature. You can use those to protect your network connection. The problem with those specialized patch cord is that they are not available everywhere. You cannot easily buy them. And also, normally they're very expensive compared to a normal patch cord. So now, you have a new solution which can help you to turn a regular patch cord into a temper-proof patch cord. The tool is designed to cut the tab of a plug at a specific angle so that once you plug in the plug into the network port, it's not easily removable unless you have our specialized retrieval tool. Now, you can easily turn any patch cord into a temper-proof patch cord and protect your network connection.